function function 1.js. Function 1.js. Hmm. 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 1 to 400. I don't know. You have to check it. 1 to 400. What is the number? Hmm. Hmm. I have not written the code. Anyone have written the code? Share in the chat. I will guide you. If any problem in that. You can send the code in chat. I will guide you. What should be the right answer? Send here. Sum is 2878. 2870. It's coming in 2870. If you have doubt in that, then do the sum of 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25. You can do in calculator also, you will come to know. This you need to add. Sum of this. 149162536496481 should be sum of this line. First code was the correct code. We have sent Suman, I guess. Okay, next let's go. Function, how to write. Function start with the function keyword. Function, you can start with the function keyword. After that, the function will have a name. Suppose I have given the name called 1. Function will start with the function keyword. Function will start with the function keyword. It will have a name, any name. Inside that, whatever output you want to print, you can print. Var A equal to 100, var B equal to 200, console.log var c a plus b console.log log the addition is c. The addition is c. So whenever we call the function one, every time it will give the how much 300 every time. Okay, so function y we use whenever you want to repeat certain tasks again and again. It can be a static work or dynamic work. In both the cases we can write a function. We have to give one name. After giving the name of the function, you can write inside some functionality may be based on input or without input. Okay, functionality may be static functionality or dynamic functionality. It can be anything. Now how many times you want this kind of result, that many times you have to call the function. Suppose we have written the addition is c, a plus b plus a plus b, a plus b, c equal to a plus b. Addition is c. Now we want the to see the addition is 300 5 times. We can call this function. If you want to see one time, you can call the function. Now you will see the addition is 300 will come 2 times because the same function we call twice. Same function we call twice. Function we call 2 times. Okay. After that sequence, what is the output? 300, but it should come 2 times. 300, but it will come total 2 times. The addition is 300. Addition is 300. Next, after that, let's write another function. Function 2. That will be based on input. Function 2 will be based on input a comma b, a comma b. Okay, a comma b. Now right here the addition is again function 2. The addition is c. Now a and b we are not going to take inside. A and b will come from outside directly. Whoever will call the function 2, he has to send 2 value for a and b. How it will be? Call the function 2, pass there a value 10 comma 50. Okay, 60 comma 40, 2 times. This becomes function with parameter. Function with parameter. Function is same, output is different.
Yes.
Right? In the previous case, what we have, function is same, output is also same. Because it is not based on input, it's a static value directly. So we can go here and we can now call the function again and see the problem. Function 3 passed one parameter, don't pass the second one. It will give you nan, nan. Is it giving nan, nan?
Yes.
Because second variable is undefined. Second variable is undefined, so once you do the addition of undefined, nan will come, not a number. Nan stands for not a number. Okay, next after that, come down. Write the third function where if you pass one value, it will work, two value also it will work, three value also it will work. If will not pass anything, then also it will work. So this becomes a function with parameter, but required parameter. We have to pass every time. Whenever we call the function 2, you must have to pass the value. Function with parameter. Function with parameter. Okay. Come now, third one. 3. A equal to null. Null. B also equal to null. C equal to null. C equal to any value. Function keyword is required here. Next, after that, come inside again, write the addition of a plus b plus c. The addition of a plus b plus c. By default, you are given some value. Value is by default as a null. By default, value you are given already. That is called as a null. Okay. The addition is 3. Ready? Come now. Call the function 3 with 3 value 30, 40, 50. Function 3 call with a 2 value 30, 40. Function 3 call with 1 value. Function 3 we call with no value. With no value. In case if you are not passing anything, each line will not come. Null will come. Zero will come. Who working? See 120, 70, 30 and then 0. One place NaN is coming because you have not passed anything. This way you can write the function with input, without input, with parameter, without parameter. Create next file function 2.js to see what other way we can write the function. This is the one way. One more file create function 2, in that we will understand which other way we can write the function.
Sir, in the place of plus operator, we can give any operator to check the values like this by using function.
You can check any operator, plus, minus, multiply, or
Okay.
NaN will not come. Output will come based on your input, but NaN will not come. NaN, not a number will not come.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll follow the next method. This is one method to write the CS function. We have two more methods. Function 2.js. Small changes will happen in this. We will start from the variable var name of the function. Suppose 1 equal to your function keyword. Okay, now come inside this function. One you can write without any input, like previous function. First one, how we have written. Same way. This called function without name. This work like is a variable object. Call the function one. So do work. Working. Okay. Now same function you can call using two ways. Function A, function one with first parameter, second parameter. Call the value here. Ten 20. Function one, hit 20. Second will say is none. Same function. You can write the third one also the same. Function name should be different. Mhm. So instead of null, you can assign some default value also 0. It is not necessary only to be null. You can give any value as a default value. Okay. Next, function 1 is here, function 2 is here. Function 3 is here, a plus b plus c. Next, after that, the function 3 we can call many times with multiple values. Unlimited you can pass, there is no limitation. Unlimited parameter we can pass, there is no limitation. We have a property called arguments dot length. Using that we can find out how many values are coming. Will guide you. Hold on, next example. So this should work. So this is also way you can write the function. 9 is coming where? Okay. There. Here, last one is printing all three properly. Come to the next example. Function 3. That is called fat arrow function. Fat arrow function. Function 3 dot js. This is something different. A variable function 1 equal to, this is called fat arrow function. You can take the value same as what we have taken, a plus b plus c. Five arrow function. Ready to give the same output. How you are going to call? Same way, function one. Come down again. Function 2 you can write the same way. Siddharth Poldenke. Now here we cannot write anything. We can write here var a comma b. The addition is c. Second you can call same way. The function you are writing different, but while calling it remain same everywhere. 30, 40, 50. Let's keep 2 here. Last keep again nothing. Okay, so ready. Function 2 you can check. N is coming as still. Function 3 again we can write the same way. AB comma C. A plus B plus A. A equal to 0 you can keep. B equal to you can keep 0. C equal to you can keep 0. a plus b plus c, call the function 3 times. Okay. So how many way you can write the function? Three method. One is the first file, second is the second file, third is the third. Third one is called as a fat arrow method. Second one is called as a anonymous function, function without name. Okay, and first one is the regular that people are following properly. In that, in React, you are going to use this last one. That is called function as a fat arrow. Map function you have seen yesterday. That was also based on double arrow here. That is also based on map fat function. Fat arrow here. From E is 5, 6. 8 minus 5, 6. Okay, next after that, one more function will write separate. In that, we will not receive anything here. We will not receive anything here. Okay, and inside the function dynamically, we can find out how many input the user has passed using arguments dot length. There is a property called arguments, predefined property. Inside the function, we can use arguments dot length. Now, how many values are coming? It will give in the form of array. Okay. So create next file function core.js. Function core.js. Write a function one. Console.log. arguments dot length come down. Function 1 you call, pass inside 10, 10, 20, 40, 60, 90, 80, 0. It may throw the error also. If it will throw the error, then we will use the regular function. Arguments is not defined. एक minute. Huh? Printing only 5. AR, okay. ARGUMENTS. Arguments. Coming every time, how much? I have it coming. Let me see once. Arguments dot. Okay, some base number we have used, no problem. Let's go there. The values are, the value is argument of I. Run a for loop. Variable I equal to 0. I less than arguments dot length I plus plus. Next, after that, console.log, the end of call. It's working now. एक minute. Okay, that error function is throwing the error. You can keep this function. Normal function. What are the argument you are passing each time will come in the list. Arguments dot length will help you to find out dynamic how many you pass. Not repetition. You are calling the function many times. It will give you each time how many are there. Value is printing here. No? It's saying like each call how many values are there. Say first call, one value. Second call, two values. Third call, three. Fourth call, four. Last call, no value. Okay, now we can come to the next. Out of this basic folder. That is your this data binding folder. Okay, under the data binding folder, we'll start from here. That is called type of pop-up window. Then in the type of pop-up window, we have alert, confirm, and prompt. Alert used to give confirmation to user with the OK button. Confirm used to ask the confirmation from user in Boolean as true or false. Prompt it used to ask non-Boolean input from user. Similar way, next after that event will start. We have certain types of event will follow on by one. Okay. So let's go. Create the next file. File name will be popup.html under the data binding folder. Popup pop. Okay, popup.html. We'll start from HTML directly. Then we'll follow here head. Then we'll follow call script. Script. Body you can go. Okay, now come inside. Write a function. Function name. Function name. You can give one. Alert you can write. Come down, write a H1 JavaScript pop-up window. Write a button number 1, alert. Number 2, confirm. Number 3, prompt. Alert, confirm, prompt. Next, after that, go on first click. On click equal to call the function 1. Just a single click. So on click is the event. No. On click is the event. On click is the event. On click, once you click on that, once you click on first button, once you click on first button, first function will call. That is called function 1. Function 1. Function 1 will get called. When the function 1 will get called, and the function 1 will get called, this will ask you alert, hi, it's working. Run this file directly in the browser, is a HTML file, and click on first button. Hi, it is working. That's called pop-up window. Pop-up window. Browsers. Go to the folder, double click on the file. Go to folder, double click on files. Working for all. Page is running. So this is useful button only. When you click here, it's coming. It's useful. Using that, we can give some message to user. We can give some notification message to user. Okay. Next, after that, Right here on second one, on click only, call the second function. Same function you can call, but it okay, that is a different one. So hold on, call here for function 2. Inside the function 2, we'll do something else. Inside the function 2, we are going to write inside the function 2, you can write here a variable input equal to confirm and use your alert the input. Ready? So now what it says? It's asking, are you sure? Okay or cancel? Okay will return true. Cancel will return false. Based on that, we can decide further what user want. Suppose you are clicking on a delete button. You click on delete profile. We can check, are you sure? If user will click OK, then it return true. That meaning user want to delete. Because by mistake also click will happen. If by mistake delete click happen, data gone, no meaning. Right? So when we send the email through Gmail, we write hi find attachment. If we not attach anything, a pop-up window will come. Or is here it will say okay, then it will come. Today you try. Send an email to someone. Okay. In message what you write, send an email to your email only through Gmail. Okay. In the message you write, hi, please find the attachment along with the email. Don't attach anything. Click on send button. The pop-up window will come. It will ask, you want to send without attachment? If you say okay, then it will go. That is called what? User is doing a mistake. Now user is doing a mistake. When the final action will happen, user cannot do anything. So before doing the final action, check a confirmation. Really you want or not. So for that purpose, what we can use? Confirm with users. And if return true, then user want. If return cancel, user don't want. If true, then only go ahead. If cancel, then false, then don't go ahead. We will work on that. We'll create example. Come now, write function 3. Function 3. 3. Keep a variable input only prompt. Enter your email ID. Enter your email ID. Alert your email is input. So here plus we have to use, comma will not work, plus. On third button click, we will call the function 3. Working. Enter your email ID. Your email ID particular. The syntax of how to write a prompt. Use will be in different way. So we have crossed one folder. We are under the second folder. That is called data binding. It will go for 1 week continuous. In that, whichever you practice here in the class, you should repeat that in home as well. Okay, which one? Data binding. Important part. How to send the data from HTML to JavaScript and JavaScript to HTML. Okay. We'll see you tomorrow. W3 are we following? W3schools.com. Follow W3school.com. W3school.com. JavaScript. W3schools.com website is there. In that there is JavaScript topic. Even they have a lot of small topics. Go through that. You'll get many idea. Whenever you have time, 1 hour spend on W3. It will give you huge knowledge. Okay. Flow, I will make the flow. Now I start collecting the material from all the source. One is W. Huh? No. Examples. In W3schools.com, there is a lot of examples. Topic wise. Explanation also. Now you will understand that. You will understand from there also. They have not displayed the data in CMD. They have displayed directly in the browser. Okay, directly they have displayed the data in browser. HTML with the JavaScript direct. Their CMD option is not there. We have spent the time to understand single quote, double quote, function, curly bracket, for loop, do while. Correct. Now those we are going to migrate with the HTML. Okay. After attending tomorrow class, you will understand all term of W3 schools. Inner HTML, inner text, those things we'll discuss tomorrow. How to send the data, how to receive the data. That's it. Will be helpful. Okay then, you can log out. Tell me, sir.